Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? A plus b is equal to 20, ab is equal to 40. Solution. A plus b is equal to 20. Let us call this equation 1. ab is equal to 40. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, a plus b is equal to 20. b is equal to 20 minus a. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, ab is equal to 40. Let us substitute for b. A bracket 20 minus a is equal to 40. Let us open the bracket. 20a minus a square is equal to 40. Let us bring this 40 to this side. 20a minus a square minus 40 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Minus a square plus 20a minus 40 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by -1. Then here will be a square minus 20a plus 40 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, c is equal to 40. A is equal to minus bracket minus 20 plus or minus square root of minus 20 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 40 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of minus 20 squared, that is 400, minus 4 times 1 times 40, that is 160 over 2 times 1, 2. A is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 400 minus 160, that is 240 over 2. Now 240, this is divisible by 2, 120, and this is divisible by 2, 60. This is divisible by 2, 30. This is divisible by 2, 15. And here is 15, 1. Therefore, 240 is equal to 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16. That is 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 15. This is equal to 16 multiplied by 15. A is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by 15 over 2. A is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4 root 15 over 2. Therefore, this is equal to 20 over 2 plus or minus 4 over 2 root 15. Then A1 is equal to 10 plus 2 root 15, and A2 is equal to 10 minus 2 root 15. We've gotten the value of A1 and A2. Let us solve for B1 and B2. For B, from equation 3, B is equal to 20 minus A. B1 is equal to 20 minus A1 is 10 plus 2 root 15. B1 is equal to 20 minus 10 minus 2 root 15. B1 is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 15. B2 is equal to 20 minus 10 minus 2 square root of 15. B2 is equal to 20 minus 10 plus 2 square root of 15. B2 is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 15. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 10 plus 2 square root of 15, 10 minus 2 square root of 15. Then A2, B2 is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 15, 10 plus 2 square root of 15. These are the final answer. Here you can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of B2 here. So we may also check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. And if you check using either A1, B1 and A2, B2, you are going to get the same answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.